wanting it, I want you to come closer. Just follow my voice. Take the lead, follow my voice, and just show me that you understand. I know you listen to all of our conversations, don't you? Do you laugh sometimes? We laugh. Yeah.
There's a bird.
Come closer. Maybe the bird wants to come closer with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Touch me.
Well, there's a bird on the thing.
Touch me. Birds aren't very heavy, though. You want to come closer? You are closer. I can
yeah,
see
you are closer now.
Do you want to touch my face? Maybe I'm not close.
Ah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. That's pretty special. Thank you.